Technology and transportation have certainly improved over the last 20 years. And with the incredible technology and focus on automobiles, it's no wonder that these new cars are so highly anticipated. Here are the top 10 most anticipated cars of 2021 and 2022. Before we begin, leave a like and subscribe to see more content like this. Number 10, BMW i4. At number 10 on our list, we have the BMW i4 model car. With a $50,000 price, it's certainly a luxury vehicle. On the outside, the car has a kidney grille on the front, along with blue detailing on the sides of the front of the car. The car also has a touchscreen menu inside for navigation, radio, and the like. With a battery of 80 kilowatts, the BMW i4 has some impressive power behind it. The range is over 370,000 miles, and the car can get up to 60 miles per hour in only 4 seconds. This electric model is also expected to be able to deliver both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. While not too many details are known, as the car has not been released yet, people are really excited about this new car.
Motor, single-speed gearbox, and power electronics, all housed in a single casing.
Number 9, Mercedes EQA and EQB. Coming in at number 9 with another electric model, many people are excited for the Mercedes EQA and EQB car's eventual release. Mercedes based the design of the car off of a hatchback vehicle at the concept stages, but instead decided on a design more similar to a standard SUV. The car boasts front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive to gain some incredible speed in a short amount of time. Both models should have a range of about 250,000 miles and a 270 horsepower engines. The EQA model will be priced at around $35,000 and the EQB will be priced around the same amount. While their predecessor model cars emphasized more seating spaces, seating up to 7 people, it is speculated that these electric models will not have that much space in order to pack the larger battery inside of the car.
As you can expect from the GLA already, is that there are some...
Number 8, Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo. Porsche is starting to rival Tesla in electric car production, and the Taycan Cross Turismo is an incredibly anticipated car in the future. This 4-seater car has 4 doors, which open like a double door in order to keep a sleek, elegant design. The design emphasized aerodynamics, and it has more trunk space than its predecessor. The battery is 90 kilowatts, and the engine can produce 760 horsepower. Quite a bit of power for such a small car. The price is estimated to start at around $115,000, quite a large sum. But it seems to be worth it for the speed, the incredible charging ability, and its high-class interior technology.
Synchronous motors. What this means would take ages to explain, but suffice...
Number 7, Tesla Model Y. With the number of Tesla model vehicle fans, it's no surprise that Tesla Model Y is next on our list. This is the smallest SUV made by Elon Musk, around the size of a BMW X3 model. With 7 interior seats, 68 cubic feet of storage space, and its design meant for safety, this car seems to have it all. With a focus on a low center of gravity and its rigid structure, the car is sturdy. The Model Y also has sensors all over the car to notify the driver of any potential dangers coming close by. But safety is not the only reason why this car is anticipated in the future. With powerful dual motors and an all-wheel drive, the Model Y can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. In one charge, the car can drive 326 miles and recharge half of that in only 15 minutes. The price starts at $41,990 for this model. Number 6, Rivian R1T. Coming in at number 6, we have the Rivian R1T vehicle. The model boasts about driving in rugged terrain, showing off the car driving through sand, mud, and other rough terrains. The R1T can even drive in up to 3 feet of water. It is even featured in the Apple TV series Long Way Up. At launch, the car will cost $75,000. With a quad motor, the R1T can tow 11,000 pounds and go from 0 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds flat. To keep off-road driving safe, the car has sensors built in and around to warn you of any incoming danger or dangerous terrain. For any lovers of off-roading, this car is for you. Number 5, Lucid Air. Next on our list is the Lucid Air, a model expected to compete with the electric car master, Tesla. The Dream Edition of the car is expected to cost $161,500. Other models expected to follow will decrease the price in order to be more cost-effective, dropping to prices like $70,000. The engine maximum carries 1,080 horsepower, allowing the car to go from 0 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. The interior boasts a 35-inch curved screen, so the driver can see multiple aspects of the car from speed, technology, entertainment, and others while they drive. The design focuses on aerodynamics, and the company plans to open up 20 stores around the country to sell the car.
Web to application to overall in-car.
Number 4. Ford Mustang Mach-E. Coming in at number 4 is the Ford Mustang Mach-E model. The cheapest of the various models of this car will be priced around $44,000. The car boasts both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive and a range of 300 miles. Inside, the tech array is displayed like a portrait, with a large rectangular screen dominating the car's front dashboard. It is reported that the screen will hold information to adapt to the vehicle's surroundings, so it also is used for safety, not just for music or navigation.
A lot of opportunity for improvement. We've continued to improve.
Number 3. Audi RS Etron GT. At number 3 on our list is the new model by Audi, the RS Etron GT. Borrowing the blueprint from their sister company, Porsche, the design is heavily focused on aerodynamics. The pricing is currently only set for European regions at around £130,000 for the car. The car has a 600 horsepower engine, but with the overdrive function built into the car, the engine can reach up to 650 horsepower. While the range is small, only 250 miles, it can reach 0 miles to 60 miles per hour in only 2.7 seconds. This electric model also has wireless charging capabilities. This is fantastic news for multiple electric cars and a huge perk for the Audi RS Etron GT.
A very sophisticated cooling system.
Number 2. Ford Bronco. At number 2 on our list is a sort of modern reboot of an old car. The Ford Bronco was initially discontinued in the 90s, but is being brought back in a contemporary fashion. The company took great care to make sure the car would be appealing to modern consumers while also not sacrificing what it was about the original Bronco that people love. The car is priced at around $30,000 and will have both 2-door and 4-door models. The engine carries 266 horsepower and has a 7-speed manual. With its tough exterior and 35-inch tires, this vehicle can handle rugged terrain with ease. Number 1. Ferrari Purosangue. Finally, at number 1 on our list is the Ferrari Purosangue. This is the first attempt at an SUV monocle vehicle for the Ferrari brand. Very little information about this model has been released so far, but from what we know, it's no surprise why this car is causing so much excitement. The car is speculated to be a hybrid vehicle, with a chance of having a V12 engine inside. With little information and a recognizable brand, this car is the most highly anticipated vehicle for 2021 and 2022. So, what do you think? Which car are you most excited for? Did we miss any cars? Let us know down in the comments below. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to see more content like this in the future. We'll see you next time.